Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And today I'm going to show you how to modify a three-quarter view. A three-quarter view, that sounds kind of complicated. It's really not. All it means is that we're taking this face here, have kind of an egg shape, and here's the neck. And instead of going straight down having a front view, we're going to use this guideline here, make it go off to the side. Here's the neck, front of the neck, and here is the eye line. See, like this? It's going to be a simple character. I'm going to use a little marker to make this darker when we finish so you can see it more clearly, but let's sketch right now the eye. All right, so this eye is curving on top, but flat on the bottom. See that? A little oval here. Should be looking out this way. And on this side, same thing, curving on top, and a little flat on the bottom, and we're going to tuck this eye in closer to the bridge of the nose, which you haven't even drawn yet. So we're imagining a bridge of the nose. We're going to bring a couple of eyelashes off the top, like that, and kind of a little characteristic here for this person in the three-quarter view. See how nice and smooth this is? I'm going to show you something about that in a little bit. We're going to bring this bridge of the nose down this way. Like this. A little nostril on the side. I'll give a little smile here. But we're just going to draw the bottom, the middle of the lips, right here, that line in the middle. And then draw a little thickness up here. And now we have to make some adjustments. You see, because the egg shape doesn't work perfectly this way. So we're going to have to bring this down and extend it a little bit. See, now the chin is extending over here. Now I'm going to bring this entire smile down just a touch. I'll flatten it out and bring it up just a touch here. Notice that kind of cute look if you have it straight and up right here. Have it come up with a swell right over this way. And a little shadow under the bottom lip. Bring this chin down here and I'll finish it over this way. And kind of curious little arched eyebrow on one side, less arched on the other. It's a nice variety, don't you think? Adds a little something, a little kind of cute look. We're going to have bangs coming down to just above the eyebrows and bring this hair in front, that nice curved line, and slash this way. Kind of make it sharp that way, rather than just let it get brushy. Make it nice and sharp. And from the side here, we'll bring that out also. So that will be kind of that back layer. And I'll continue the hair right here. Okay, now I'm going to show you, as I said, I'm going to show you a little something here. Now watch, instead of just leaving it like that, I mean it's nice, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to raise the front a little bit, now that I have all the placement, and I'm going to add a little contour to the front. I'm going to move this in like this, see that? Move that in just before the eye, and here's the cheekbone. I'm going to round off the cheekbone here. Does that look good? It adds a little something. And now I'll bring the hair forward because this is in, so we have to show it. Show where that leaves the hair. So now let me finish this way. And I'll use a thick line for the top. Adds a little emphasis. Here is that, again, that oval. And we're going to stick into tuck right in here for the eye. Have the eyelid come off the side and a little bit of a flat look to the bottom of the eyelid. Have a couple of eyelashes brushing off the top. That nice arched eyebrow. And a little less of an arch over here. Indicate just a bit of that bridge of the nose, and then we hit that tip right here. Again, it's just a suggestion. And there is the nostril here. Let's put that little crease back here, and a little curl of a smile. And the bottom lip. Come in here and around. And we can kind of make a sharp chin if you like. We bring that jawline softly, so it's a soft curve, not a hard curve, right to the chin here. Now have that neck come down here with slightly curved, and right here slightly curved, a little shadow right under it. Shadow will naturally fall over here. Now we'll bring this out like this, and we will really shade that in. And that helps layer this, because this will be dark, and this will be light. Let me erase a little of that. And we'll bring this in like this. Nice curve also, so these curves mirror each other. But this one kind of kicks out at the bottom. Kind of gets looks a little free, kind of nice. And also here, we're going to give her bangs, but we'll open them up a bit. Okay, so give it a little make it a little dynamic. You don't want it to look just too perfect. A little bit of hair, a little messiness over this way. And now we could also add a little shadow on top of the eyelid and on the far side of the bridge of the nose. I also like to do the upper lip like so, and we could go on and do more, get more specific, but basically I want to show you how you can change and alter the side of the face to give a little more character to your character. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, new videos all the time. I'm glad to have you here. Post some comments, I read all of them, I try to get back to as many as I can. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.